Good morning, students. Myself, Teacher Anju. We already started with the chapter 4, that is environmental balance. In this lesson previously, we had studied about the meaning of biodiversity, environment, and food chain. Now, next we are going to see that why these food chains are important in nature. In nature, there are many food chains. If one of the links in a chain becomes extinct, can the food chain last? Extinct means that particular animals become less in the environment or it is vanishing from the environment. Now, can you see here? Sun is eaten by plants. Plants are eaten by rabbit. Rabbit is eaten by snake. If sun is not there, can plants will grow? No. Now if plants doesn't grow, can the rabbit get it food? No. Now if rabbit doesn't get it food, then rabbit will be more in the environment? No. Now from where the snake will get it food? It will also not get it food, right? So all these links are very important in the food chain. If anyone is not there, then the food chain will break down. So here sun is also important, plants is also important, and other animals are also important to make up the food chain. All the food chain is important. If any one of this link is not there, so our environmental balance become imbalance. Now observe the various food chain shown in this picture. You can see that grass is eaten by grasshopper, grass is also eaten by deer, grass is also eaten by rabbit. You can see the plant is also eaten by caterpillar. Fruits are eaten by squirrel. Fruits are also eaten by rat. Okay. Now over here grasshopper is eaten by frog and frog is eaten by snake. Snake can be eaten by bird like eagle. So this form one food chain. Grass is eaten by deer and deer is eaten by either fox or lion. So this is another food chain. When this plant is eaten by rat, rat is eaten by eagle. This is another food chain. So in this way you can see several food chain are formed in this picture because one animal can be food for many other animals, or we can say one living organism can be food for many other living organism. So in this way all the food chain are interlinked with each other and they form a wide network. This wide network of food chain is called a food web. Now you can see rat is eaten by eagle, rat is eaten by cat, and rat is also eaten by snake. Thus, a food web is formed by interlinking of several food chains. One living thing can be a part of number of food chain that gives rise to a food web. So many food chain linked together and forming a food web. Now, the most important support in food chain is plants. Every living thing gets its food from the environment. Many animals in the environment eat only plants. Other animals eat the animals that live on plants. But plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight using water and the carbon dioxide from the air. It means that plants are the main support of every food chain. Because every food chain begins with plants. They are the producer as they can produce their own food in the presence of sunlight using carbon dioxide and water. So remember, the most important support in food chain are plants. Now we will continue the chapter number 4, that is environmental balance, in the next video. Thank you.